নমস্কাৰ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল আজি তোমালোকৰ লগত আলোচনা কৰিবলৈ লৈছোঁ ক্লাছ 6 ইংলিছৰ লেসন নম্বৰ 7 দ্য মাউণ্টেইন এণ্ড দ্য স্কুৱেৰেল কবিতাটোৰ কুৱেশ্যন এনসাৰসমূহ আহাচোন চাওঁ কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 1 Did you like the poem? Write 3 words you connect with each object you found in the poem. One has been done for you. ইয়াত তিনিটা ৱৰ্ড দিয়া আছে প্ৰতিটো ৱৰ্ডৰ লগত ইটোৰ লগত সিটো কানেক্ট হোৱা তিনিটা ৱৰ্ড লিখিবলৈ কৈছে এটা উদাহৰণ দি থৈছে স্কুৱেৰেলৰ লগত ট্ৰি নাট ক্লাইম্ব ইয়াৰ মিল আছে তেনেকৈ মাউণ্টেইন আৰু ফৰেষ্ট ৱৰ্ড দুটাৰ লগতো তিনিটা ৱৰ্ড লিখিবলৈ কৈছে মাউণ্টেইন লাৰ্জ ফৰেষ্ট ট্ৰি ফৰেষ্ট squirrel track nut animals. Question number 2a. Why did the mountain call the squirrel little prig? The mountain called the squirrel little prig because they had a quarrel and the mountain wanted to insult the squirrel. Question number b. What did the squirrel say to the mountain? The squirrel said to the mountain that although he is too small, but he is more energetic than him. He cannot carry a forest on his back like the mountain, but the mountain also cannot crack a nut like him. Question number C. What are the main differences between the mountain and the squirrel? 1. The mountain is very big and the squirrel is very small. 2. The mountain cannot move and the squirrel can move one place to another place easily. Number 3. The mountain has a forest on his back and the squirrel has no such forest on his back. Number 4. The mountain cannot crack a nut and the squirrel can crack a nut easily. Number 5. The mountain is proudy and the squirrel is humble. Question number D. If I am not so large as you, you are not so small as I, and not half so spry, I will not deny you make a very pretty squirrel track. Who said these lines and to whom? The squirrel said these lines to the mountain. Question number E. The word former means the first one out of two and the word later means the second one out of two. And the former called the later little pig. Who is the former and who is the later in the poem? The mountain is the former and the squirrel is the later in the poem. Write down the lines from the poem that mean the following. 1. The squirrel is not as big as mountain and the mountain is not even half as energetic as barn. কবিতাটোৰ কোনটো প্ৰেক্ষাপটত এই কথাখিনি আছে হেতু লিখিবলৈ কৈছে চাওঁচোন আহা কোনটো প্ৰেক্ষাপট আছে If I am not so large as you, you are not so small as I, and not half so spry. Number 2. Everyone is unique in their own way. People have different skills and everything is put very wisely. Netu kuntu প্ৰেক্ষাপট আছে চাওঁচোন আহা Talents differ. All is well and wisely put. To make a year and a revolution around the sun, all types of things and weather must be taken into consideration. But all sorts of things and weather must be taken in together to make up a year and a fair. Question number 3. But all sorts of things and weather must be taken in together to make up a year and a sphere. Why does the poet talk about a year and a sphere? The poet talks about a year and a sphere because to make a year and a sphere all types of big and small things and weather are needed. It means all types of things are important. Question number 4. তলত দিয়া সেন্টেন্স গিটা শুদ্ধ নে অশুদ্ধ কবলৈ কৈছে যদি অশুদ্ধ হৈ আছে তা শুধৰাই লিখিবলৈ কৈছে নাম্বাৰ A the mountain called the squirrel little pig এটো true শুদ্ধ B the squirrel told the mountain that it was not a disgrace to be small এটো true শুদ্ধ C the mountain is not as spry as the squirrel এটো true শুদ্ধ D the squirrel can carry a forest on his back এটো false অশুদ্ধ এটো শুধৰাই চাওঁছ না এটো লিখিব লাগিব not true the squirrel cannot carry a forest on his back. Question number 5. A what was the cause of fight between the mountain and the squirrel? Why do you think so? The main cause of the fight between the mountain and the squirrel was their size and ability. I think so because the mountain called the squirrel as little pig to insult him. Question number B. Tell your friends 2 things you like about the squirrel and 2 things you dislike about the mountain. The 2 things I like about the squirrel are 1. He is humble. 2. His intelligence. The 2 things I dislike about the mountain are 1. He is proudy. 2. His habit of insulting others. Question number 6. What do you think happened that day? Whose work was easier? Think of an ending for the story. Discuss your thoughts with a friend next to you and share it with the class. Asun, so সাধুটোত সেইদিনা কি হৈছিলে আৰু কাৰ কামটো সহজ আছিল হেতু লিখিবলৈ কৈছে I think that they had a quarrel about their own work. Both had changed their work, but none of them could do their work perfectly. The old man could not do the household works properly and got very tired. The old lady also could not plow. She also got very tired. After completing their works, they both understand that none of work is easy. They continued to do their own work and live happily. Question number 7 আমাক গ্রামার পার্টটো দিছে ইয়াত নেৰেশনৰ বিষয়ে কৈছে মানে স্পিচৰ কথা ডাইৰেক্ট স্পিচ আৰু ইনডাইৰেক্ট স্পিচ ডাইৰেক্ট স্পিচত কি হয় বক্তাই কোৱাজনে কথাটো জেনেদৰে কৈছে হেতু সম্পূৰ্ণ হেদৰে কোৱা হয় আৰু ইনডাইৰেক্ট স্পিচত তেওঁ কোৱা কথাটো নিজৰ ভাষাত কয় আৰু ইয়াত ডাইৰেক্ট স্পিচত কি কৰে ইনভাৰ্টেড কমা ইউজ কৰে আৰু ইনডাইৰেক্ট স্পিচত সেই ইনভাৰ্টেড কমা উঠি যায় তাৰ ঠাইত ডেট ইউজ কৰে চাওঁচোন আহা Question number 1. Anurag said to Onu, you are lazy girl. Eto direct speech ase ami eta indirect speech lo nibo laibo. Anurag told Onu that she was a lazy girl. Number 2. Onu said to Anurag, you are doubtless very smart. Onu told Anurag that he was very smart. Number 3. He said to her, I play cricket. He told her that he played cricket. Number 4. She replied, I don't play cricket. She said that she did not play cricket. Number 5. She added, I dance bihu. She said that she danced bihu. Number 6. He said to her, I don't dance bihu. He told her that he did not dance bihu. Number 7. Arun said a lazy girl cannot dance. Arun said that a lazy girl cannot dance. Number 8. Anurag said I agree with you. Anurag said that he agreed with him. Number 8. ইয়াত বিভিন্ন ধৰণৰ কাম কৰা মানুহক বিভিন্ন নামেৰে জনা যায় কাক কি বুলি জনা যায় আমি সেয়া চাওঁচোন আহা এটা উদাহৰণ দিয়া আছে who serves us food in a restaurant তেওঁ কি বুলি কয় waiter সেকেন্ডত দিয়া আছে who takes care of sick or injured people তেওঁক নাৰ্ছ কোৱা হয় 3 who teaches us in school teacher 4 who operates the controls of an aircraft pilots. Number 5 who takes care of our teeth dentist. Who puts out fires fireman. Number 9 ইয়াত তুমি ডাঙৰ হৈ কি হ'ব বিচাৰিছা খুদিছে আৰু তাৰ পাঁচটা কাৰণ ক'বলৈ কৈছে I want to be a doctor. The reasons why I choose this profession are Number 1 I want to help the poor people of rural area. Number 2 it is a respectable job. Number 3 I will learn new things daily. Number 4 to earn a good salary. Number 5 I like to take care of sick people. Number 10 তলৰ ছবিকেইখনত বিভিন্নজনে বিভিন্ন কাম কৰি আছে এই ছবিকেইখন চাই কাষত থকা বাক্যবিলাকৰ খালী ঠাই পূৰাবলৈ দিছে Number 1 Terang is a farmer. He grows crops and vegetables. Number 2 Resma is a grocer. Number 3 Robert is a driver. Number 4 Nevoli is a pilot. Number 4 Achilles is a soldier. Number 5 Mrs. Agarwal is a famous industrialist. Number 6 Tina is an architect. 10 number Bir ইয়াতো কিছুমান খালী ঠাই পূৰাবলৈ দিয়া আছে মই একেলগে দি দিছোঁ উত্তৰখিনি তোমালোকে মিলাই লৈ ল'বা Number 1 driver. Number 2 Aldo Terang. Number 3 Aldo soldier. Number 4 Resma Terang grocery. ধন্যবাদ ইমানে আছিলে লেসনটোৰ কোৱেশ্চন আনসাৰ ইমানে সামৰিছোঁ